If you want to unsubscribe from your MailChimp plan or pause it instead, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go inside MailChimp, how to find your plan settings, and how to pause your plan safely without getting lost in the menus. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Then sign in using the email address and password for the account that has access to your billing and subscription settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens your account menu where MailChimp keeps important options for your account and billing. From the menu, click Account and Billing. This is the area where you can manage your subscription, payment methods, and billing details. If you're trying to cancel, pause, or make changes to your plan, this is the section you need. After that, click Settings. Inside the Settings page, MailChimp organizes the account configuration tools and subscription-related options. Now look for the Manage My Plan button and click it. This page shows your current MailChimp plan and the actions available for changing it. You should see the plan details, billing information, and options related to subscription control. Since the goal here is to unsubscribe or stop the plan temporarily, choose Pause My Plan. When you click Pause My Plan, MailChimp may ask you to confirm your choice or explain the effect of pausing your subscription. Take a moment to read the message carefully so you understand whether your plan is being paused, downgraded, or ended entirely. If you are trying to unsubscribe completely, make sure you follow the confirmation steps that match your goal. If you only want to stop billing for now, pausing may be the right choice. Once you confirm the action, MailChimp will apply the change to your plan. At that point, your subscription status should update, and your billing cycle should reflect the new setting. It's always a good idea to double-check your account afterward to make sure the change went through successfully. And that's how to unsubscribe from a MailChimp plan or pause your plan through the billing settings. If this video saved you time, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.